Good evening. This is the first Tradesight Forex chat of 2013. Welcome to the new year. Here's a look at the dollar index daily chart on the right side of your screen. You can see that we are going to be 9 bars up today here on the dollar index. Potential for a little pullback or pause at this point. Not that we've had much of a rally, but we still have the 9-bar move up, and you can't ignore it. Ranges were better to this session. Not ready to jump back to full size because we obviously had some news to make that happen. But you had about 150 pips of range on the pound and 150 pips of range on the euro. And that's pretty good. I'd take anything like that on a consistent basis. It also means the level spacing is better than we've seen lately. So if we get a couple days in a row like this, we will definitely go back to full size. Main trade calls for the night are both on the euro. There are value area plays available on the euro and on the pound for those that are interested. Here's a look at the euro dollar coming into the session. And what we're looking at here on a 5-minute chart, you've got the pivot and the upper break right here where I just put my check marks. So we're going to go long over that. First target's going to be upwards of near R1 up here with the 2 check marks. That is inside the value area, so if we can breach that upper pressure threshold and the value area low, it should suck us right across to that point. A little bit of concern with that pressure threshold there, but overall I like the entry when the pivot and the break are lined up. You got a value area above that you can head into. You got a tri-star level to help pull you across. So we'll be looking at that one. That's the trade for weakness in the dollar tonight. And then the trade for strength in the dollar. If I slide this chart so you see a little more of it to the downside below, here's a look at this. We're going to go short under S1, which is down here. First target's going to be S2. That's 50 pips. And risking 20. And if you go out and back this chart out, actually hang on one second. And so if I back this chart out, I'm going to go to 30-minute bars. Back it out a ways so you see about 2 weeks worth of information. What you'll notice here is to get down to the S1, which is down here, this is the trigger line, the blue line right here. We need to break all this action we've been stuck in since before Christmas now. Basically spent 2 weeks in 150 pip range. We covered most of it again today. Getting under this tri-star level, get down there, we'd be breaking this whole area. Then you crack S1, trigger into the trade, first target S2. So I definitely like that setup. You can see volume was improved today versus anything we've been seeing. So positive sign. Of course, one day doesn't fix everything. So this report will be posted for subscribers shortly here if you weren't here to listen, and be posted tomorrow morning to the YouTube page as well. Have a good night. If you have any questions, you may post them in the room. I will reply when I come back and check. We'll see you later.